Hey, what's up guys, it's Sal here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you my top 3 features of the MyGOtv app. Now if you don't know, GOtv is owned by MultiChoice, who are also the owners of DSTV. Now I made a video all about the DSTV Now app, and I'll leave a link in the description to check that out. But one of the many major selling points of GOtv is that it is a digital terrestrial platform instead of a satellite platform with a dish like the DSTV version. And the cost is very low. The maximum cost is 3,200 Naira or $8.9. And in this video, we're going to look at how you can use the GOtv app for subscription, self-service, and voting on platforms like BBNaija. Without further ado, let's get to the video. Now, before we get started, you need to have a few things. First of all, you need a smartphone, obviously an iPhone or an Android, and I'll leave a link in the description to where you can get the download link for both the apps on the Play Store and the App Store, and it's free, so there's no extra cost associated with having the app. The second thing you need to have is an existing GOtv decoder or subscription. Of course, it's affordable like I mentioned earlier. The third thing you need to do is to sign up, and signing up is pretty easy. All you need to do is just to input your country, name, and the IUC number, which is the unique number for your subscription. When that is done, you get right into the app. The first feature of the app that stands out to me is that users can manage their profile right on the app anytime and anywhere. Since it's mainly a self-service app, you get to renew your subscription, change your package, or update your details, and many more features. Another major feature of the GOtv app is that you can clear the error codes that appear on your TV. So if you're ever watching your favorite TV show and for some reason you get an error code, when you log into the GOtv app, you can easily clear that off immediately without having to call a customer care representative. This saves you money and of course saves you time. Last but not least, if you're a fan of the popular BBNaija reality TV show, you get to vote for your favorite BBNaija contestants after the Monday nomination shows, and it's free. Fun fact, users who download this GOtv app get 100 votes. So yeah, you can use that to support your favorite housemates, especially the ones that know the characteristics of a winner. Anyway, to be a registered voter, you need to have your phone number with the international code, that's the +234. You need to select your housemate, you need to enter the number of votes and cast your votes. One major thing you should also look out for are the app updates. You can always check out the Play Store or the App Store to get latest features. And again, I'll leave relevant links in the description of this video to be updated. That's pretty much it, guys. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you'll be notified whenever I drop a new video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.